Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. The audio messed up on this video, so I'm just going to be doing a voiceover since I didn't really want to lose the footage. Now, we finally got some good weather this weekend in the lower mainland where it didn't rain over the weekend. So I got a chance to take out the Marauder for a quick ride. So this is the first ride of 2023, and what better way to start off a year of riding than to go to the gas station to get some gas because the tank is running low. Most of you have probably noticed by now that I've rebranded the channel, changed the name and the logo, and in today's video I just wanted to discuss with you guys my reasoning why. If you guys have watched one of my most recent videos, you'll know that I mentioned I wanted to niche down my content this year and focus on one or two vehicles as well as the Marauder for the content, and since the Marauder is the only running vehicle I have at the moment, I'm going to be making more motorcycle content in the upcoming months while I save up to either fix the other vehicles or to just buy a new one. After taking a week break and planning what kind of content I want to try and make this year, I've been thinking that I've come to the conclusion that it might be better or best to sell some of the other vehicles to focus on the ones that I decide to keep. I also really wanted to document my journey as a new rider and record as much as I can that was possible, so it sort of felt right to rebrand the channel to be more motorcycle related, as that's the type of content I plan on creating for the known future. The projects fit the channel's goals and visions in the past, but it didn't really fit the way the channel is going, so MotoMarauder was born. And it also helps me with creating a better online presence and persona, so it felt like the right thing to do. Now that doesn't mean that I will be completely stopping to make car and pickup truck the content. I'll still be making those as well, but at the same time I'm just going to be making more motorcycle content. This year I really want to step out of my comfort zone, and motor vlogging seemed like a good way to do that and really to challenge myself to go out and record more content. Owning a motorcycle has been a goal of mine since childhood, and since I purchased the Marauder back in the end of July of 2022, I've been really wanting to ride the bike every chance that I get to. So with that being said, guys, that's the reason why I rebranded the channel. Hope you guys don't mind too much, but it felt like the right thing to do in order to grow the channel and create a stronger online presence. I'm going to now that we're at the gas station, I'm going to fill up the bike now and end the vlog here. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, do consider to like the video and to subscribe down below. I'm going to be posting many more motor vlogs. Now stay safe, and I hope to catch you all in the next one. See ya.